I am a glow man. I am shining. I am New Year Eve ready. Hi, my name's Faye. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a New Year's Eve glam. Get ready for me. I'm super excited. This is going to be my first ever New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. Not really tutorial because who am I teaching, but just getting ready with me, chit-chatting, whatever. I don't have any makeup on. I just filled in my brows. I still need to clean them up and all of that. So that's what we're gonna be doing in today's video. I'm not really sure what we're gonna be talking about in today's video, but let's just go along for the ride and hopefully everything turned out well. So let's get this video started. If you guys like the video, please leave a comment down below and thumbs up the video, as well as make sure to subscribe if you have not already. And yeah, let's just jump right in. Take the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer.
You make me over Grwm, me no see you have the Caribbean flow.
The Real Techniques body sponge. This shit is freaking huge. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Oh well, that's as good as I can get it right now. So let's move on to the eyes. I'm priming with the same concealer. I kind of want to do a really smoky eye today. I'm just feeling it. What shall we talk about? Well, the semester's over. I'm thankful for that. For those who don't know, I am in college right now. I'm in my 4th year. I'm graduating next semester. Thank God. I have a love-hate relationship with school. I love it because it keeps me busy and preoccupied. But I hate finals. I hate exams. I get really bad test anxiety, so I hate exams. But then I'd rather write papers, but if I don't have to, I'd rather not. It's my Ray Ray palette with Beige Cosmetics, the shade Angel. I'm just gonna put that all up in the crease until I get it to my desired. I love this palette. It's super pigmented, but it's also very powdery. So just stamp that in real quick. But yeah, I am in my last year. I'm a business management major with a biology minor. I know it's a weird combo. That's what everybody tells me. And I already know, but I was originally a pre-dental major, so I was gonna major in biology and then go to dental school to become a general dentist. But after like a year and a half, 2 years-ish of taking science classes, I was over science. There were just a lot of exams, and like I said, I get really bad test anxiety. And then it was just super hard, and I like a challenge, so it's not like it wasn't anything that I could do. Like if I really wanted to, I could totally do it. But then I shadowed my cousin, who's a dental hygienist. I shadowed her boss, a general dentist, and I loved like the whole educational aspect of it, but I hated being in such a quiet like area. Like the practice is usually super quiet and you do the same things on a day-to-day basis, and I can't do that. Like I can't sit still for a long period of time, and I can't just mundanely do the same task over and over and over again. It's just not me. I can't do it. Sorry, not sorry. And the whole, like, I was like, I cannot stay in such a quiet area. Like I can't. Like I enjoyed it. I spent an entire day, like the full 8 hours with her, and I was like, nope. Sorry, not sorry. I ain't doing this. Like I can't. Like like I said, I love the educational aspect of it, but then it was just too much, sis. Like I couldn't do it. I like talking to people. I like meeting new people. I like going, like moving around. Like even if I'm sitting in one place, like I have to be doing like multiple different, like I have to do different things, or you know, like I don't know how to explain it, but I just couldn't. I could not, for the life of me, I couldn't do it. So I was like, okay, well, that's out the window. So how I came to business was I actually switched to a double major with communications and business management. I was debating if I wanted management or marketing. So I also wanted to do a double in communications. But then I was like, communication, I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do with communications. Like, I loved learning about it. I loved taking the classes. But I was like, what the hell am I going to do with comm? Like, I couldn't. And everything that people were like, oh, you could do this with or that with, I was like, I don't want to do that. Like I don't see myself doing that. Ever since high school, I was like, hey, like I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to do something in the business world. I didn't know exactly what, but I knew that I wanted to be in some sort of business. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do business management because it's such a broad degree, and everything has business in it, you know, like literally any area, any industry, it's all business, you know. That's just what the world is. So I was like, I could always find something, you know, at a later point if need be. So that's why I switched over to business management. So I was like, a lot of my like business peers, they were doing like political science minors. So I was like, true, like I can't, it's kind of too late for me to double in business management and bio, or like do a double major. So I was like, I'm just gonna do a political science minor. And then I signed up for my first class of political science. I don't remember what the class was. I literally lasted like a day, maybe 2 days max. And then I was like, no, not having it. It's not gonna be a thing. Like I hated the class. There was like 4 of us. I did not understand the professor. I was like, what you're teaching right now is so uninteresting. Like I'm not interested in it. I don't like politics. Like I don't like any of that. Like I was like, this is not something I want to do. This is not something I want to minor in. This is a waste of a minor. So what I did was I was talking to friends, and then a friend was like, why don't you just minor in biology since you already did a lot of the classes already? And I was like, you smart, because that's like, why not? Because when I looked at it to get a minor, from the amount of credits I already had, it was like a few more classes. So I was like, why would I want to start fresh, like completely all over with my minor when I'm already 2 years in? Might as well just make my bio the minor, because it would be easier, you know, because all the science classes I took would have been like, they would all went towards electives, and I was like, that's a waste. Like, and I could always like try to find something, because I still love the medical field. So I was like, even if I wanted to get into the medical field, like or do something in the medical field of some sort, I could still do something, you know, like I could probably find a way. So I was like, that's what I'm gonna do, because I don't absolutely hate science. Like I loved it, I just hated the exams. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer.
Caribbean wine, me Caribbean girl. Not that girl from Jamaica. You know?
I'm gonna take Allison and just pop that on top. Ooh, it's pretty. I'll go ahead and do that to the side. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in to the Take Me to Brazil, take that black, and then just smoke out this bottom half of the perimeters. As I was saying, the MBA, I don't know. That's like my big dilemma right now. I don't know whether to go for it or not, like right away after I graduate, or to give it some time. Then I feel like if I give myself the time or take the break, I ain't coming back to finish it. That's kind of like my biggest fear. And it's like, I want to get my master's because it's just something that's good to have. I'm gonna take this NYX roll-on shimmer in the color Salmon. I'm just gonna pop that right on top. Kind of forgot how popping this was. NYX be doing it, their glitters. Do you guys say NYX or NYX? I'm gonna go ahead and take the Revlon Photo Ready Perfecting Primer. I'm gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. eye primer. I do this all the time before I do a full beat, is I put this on my smile lines, because I get like literally 20 seconds after I put my foundation on, like my smile lines get really bad. So this just helps keep my foundation and my complexion products on perfectly. And I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using the CoverGirl translucent. I'm gonna use the LA Girl orange corrector. Just one time in Oompa Loompa, I go ahead and use the Revlon Color Stay foundation in 400 Caramel. What was I talking about? NBA. Yeah, so you guys get it. I don't know, maybe not. I might do it, I might not do it. All up in the air, to be honest. Right now I'm just job hunting and trying to get something lined up for by the time I graduate, which is super hard. I cannot wait until I'm done with school. College has honestly been so freaking hard, mainly due to outside circumstances rather than school itself. If I was just focusing mainly on school, it would not have been so difficult. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Maybelline Age Rewind Sealer in Golden. I'll be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Medium Deep. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna take the CoverGirl setting powder that I used earlier. Now that we are looking casket ready, we're gonna go ahead and start to bring some life back into our face. So before I go ahead and bronze up my face, I'm just gonna take my MAC Studio Fix powder, NC45, and I'm just gonna dust off whatever extra powder there may be left under my eye. And I'm just going over all the places that we highlighted. Now that we have our NC powder and we look very cakey, go ahead and take a big fluffy bronzing brush, and then I really want to try out Mocha. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and take a smaller brush and snatch this nose using the same contour bronzing shade. I'm gonna go ahead and take a smaller brush and use Brownie Bite. So now that that is done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my face, and then I'm gonna take my sponge and then pat all this powderness away. So now it's highlight time. We're gonna go in with French Toast from the It's My Ray Ray palette, and then I'm gonna hit that on all the high points of my face. Anyways, about college or whatever, I can't wait to be done. Like I said 1,000,001 times in this video, I'm super excited for graduation. I'm super excited to see what the future holds for me. I am positive that it's gonna be amazing things, and I have goals to do amazing things in life, which I will do, inshallah. And yeah, I just can't wait to just get the ball rolled in. I hate the initial part where it's like, what the hell am I doing? What do I do? And that's like, once I get through this panic phase and like narrow it down and like try to figure out what the hell to do in life, and I'm sure from there it's gonna be like a breeze. But till then, I'm freaking out. high key freaking out, to be honest. Like, I'm just, I don't know what to get into. But now I'm gonna go ahead and take ABH and Amrezy palette and then go right over all the high points that we just put our other highlighter down. Do y'all see how poppin' this is? Ooh, Lord, this is amazing, so beautiful. Just gonna go over and just pat. I'm gonna set my face now with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I love this spray. I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara on. And I'm just using the Maybelline the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. We're gonna be using the MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. I love this lip liner. It's literally the perfect dark brown. For lipstick, we're gonna be using the Kat Von D Double Dare Liquid Lipstick. I'm gonna be using the NYX Soft Cream Lipstick in Stockholm. I'm just gonna be putting it in the center. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on and do my lower lash line off camera, and then I will be right back. All right, my loves, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, got to know me a little bit more, and where my head's at when it comes to the present and the future. I really enjoyed making this video. If you guys have any feedback, don't hesitate to leave it down below. I am always open to criticism and feedback. If there's other types of videos that you would like to see from me, also leave that in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that button and subscribe, because why not? You made it this far, might as well, you know? Anyways, here is a closer up of the look. I really love how this look turned out. It took me ages to figure out what the hell I wanted to do, but happy New Year's to all of you guys. I can't believe we are already in 2019. Like, that's absolutely insane. And hopefully 2019 will be a spectacular, phenomenal year, and I wish everybody a blessed year to come and to end the year off strong. So I hope you all a lovely day or a lovely night or whatever time of day it is where you are. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Wine the Caribbean